Hi everyone, my name is Anabel de la Vega and thank you for watching my video. I would like to show today a nice video how to make natural products for skincare. The reason why I do this is because I've been in the beauty field for more than 25 years. My real passion is about skincare. So I would like to share with you all my techniques and different ways how I do things. I have worked with natural products and I have worked also with professional products. My field it's more into herbology, which means that I work with a lot of herbs and a lot of natural products. And I would like to share with you all my different techniques, different clues and different things that you can do from home, and it's easier, things that you can easily share and you can easily have in the 5 minute 1, 2, 3 basically, or an ABC tips on your skin. Today I'm going to be working with natural products. Stay tuned and I'm going to just show you how to make this beautiful natural New Year's beauty recipe. Now I'm going to start explaining each of the ingredients that I'm going to be using on my skincare recipe, and now I'm going to be telling you how to make the recipe for the New Year's beauty resolution for our skin. This is the linaza that I'm going to be using. This linaza is great, and the reason why is step number 1 is because it has omega-3. Omega-3 is great for the skin, and the reason why is because it exfoliates all the dead skins that we have daily due to a lot of makeup, some pollution, and all those free radicals that damage usually the skin. But not only that, this omega-3 has only 6 and also 9, and it has another kinds of supplements that you could use. And I just pour it in here. This linaza, see, it looks like powder. It's just a granules powder. This granule powder is very easy to mix with any other products. Not only that, let's not even mention that you can drink linaza also to lose weight. Now after all this eating for Christmas that is killing us and all this, so we're gonna probably taking care of linaza twice on the face, and not only that, linaza we're gonna be taking also to probably lose a little weight, you know. It's part of it, everything. My second ingredient is going to be chamomile seeds or chamomile tea. This chamomile tea, it's easier also to melt and to mix with other products, and the reason why also because chamomile tea, it's an antiseptic, it's an anti-inflammatory, it's anti-redness, and it's good for all skin types. Not only that, you can mix it with any of the products that you would like to use when you do facials. My other products, it's going to be honey. Honey, it's great because honey, it's universal. On the honey, we could use all over the body, all over the face, including on your hair to do any kinds of treatments. And I just pour the honey in here. It's regular honey. Sometimes some people, they just like organic honey. It's okay. I just have my regular bare honey. It's easier. You know, it's cheap also, so it's handy. So you don't have to get just those expensive products in order for you to create your own recipes at home to look beautiful and to play around. And if you don't have anything else to do on Saturdays, so just play around with your products. Just be creative and enjoy different things that you might probably have on the refrigerator. And not only that, if I open my refrigerator, we're gonna find a lot of natural products in there that I'm usually making probably every single day. And now with all these vacations that everybody has, we also have more time to take care of ourselves. Prior to that, it's very difficult because I know everybody works and is in the different type of schedules. It's very hard to try to treat our skin. But since the 31st is coming, the New Year's Eve is coming, created a nice mask so we can look nice and radiant with this. And my last recipe on this one is going to be sparkling apple cider. Apple cider also is an anti-aging, and not only I mention anti-aging, people will go like, oh, an anti-aging, oh my God, let's drink it all. No, please, I'm not saying that you're gonna drink the whole bottle, not of them you might, but hey, just you can drink it also, but you can apply it on your skin. It's an anti-aging, and not only that, it's because it's made of apples. Apples, it's malic acid. It's great for an exfoliation. As we use it as a natural product, it's easier to exfoliate. We can also use it as toners, just soak your little cottons in it and just a little bit of the apple cider and just cleanse your skin with it, and it will be great. I'm going to start mixing all my products right now, and I want you to enjoy. And if you have the chance, and if you have all this at home, it will be great for you to just go ahead, get all these products right now, just put it on top of your table or wherever you're at right there inside of your house, and try to enjoy it, doing it with me, so you can, after that, put it in the refrigerator, nice and cold, and apply it overnight. And you'll see, if you do this on the 31st in the morning, if you're gonna go at night or you're going to a party, your face is going to be radiant, it's going to flow, it's going to shine, and your makeup is gonna go flawless. I get 1/4 of a cup of linaza, the one that is powder, very granules, and just pour it in an empty container. Just make sure that everything is in there. Right after, I just get 2 teaspoons of chamomile and mix it with the linaza, making sure that the chamomile, it's very granule, and if you have the seeds you can also do it, but it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable for the skin. Then I'm gonna get 1/4 of cup honey, just pour it completely, then just mix it with the linaza and the chamomile all together. Right after, I will just make sure that everything will be even. I'm going to stir it completely, nicely. Make sure that everything is out of the cup. Just don't try to leave anything in there because it's the waste of the product. So just make sure that everything is in there. I'm going to open my apple cider. Oh, oops. Ay, 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 a little spill over here. Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone. Yeah, just get my 1/4 cup of apple cider and just mix it with my previous ingredients, which is my linaza, my chamomile, my honey, and just prepare it then at the end to mix it all complete. Mix it, making sure it's not too liquid. Yeah, just try to keep on pouring it in there. Mix it at the end with my wooden spatula. Just keep on stirring, stirring, stirring. I would say probably for half a minute, just getting all the edges, everything complete. Add a little more because I just realized that the consistency that I was looking for, it wasn't enough, so it was too liquefied. So I got 2/4 of a cup of an extra linaza to create my perfect consistency. Then I'm just gonna stir a little more, just making sure it's nice and thick. And if it's nice and thick, it's easier for you to apply it as a mask. Just if it does drip, just make sure you put a towel. Usually you do that laying down if you want. It just can be standing in the bathroom, and then it's just easier to rinse out. I'm just gonna add more because I realized that the consistency was not strong enough. So I added 2/4 more cups of extra linaza. At this point, I'm just stirring a little more, making sure that the consistency is perfect. Just make sure that you clean all the edges. I'm trying now the consistency on my hands. I just want to make sure that that same consistency that I feel on my hands is going to be enough for when you apply it on the face. The consistency is perfect, it's good, nice and soft, nice, and it's basically ready to go. Now that I already have the consistency that I wanted it, I'm going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. I want it to get very, a little hard, not as hard because you have to place it on your skin, but I want it to be cold enough to hydrate the skin so the mask will have a perfect consistency, so you will be refreshed and it's not gonna be too frozen either, okay? So I'm just gonna shake it a little bit, make it nice and even. Now I just took that mask from the freezer. It has a great, perfect consistency. Now this mask is nice and cold, it's ready to be applied on the face. But prior to that, you know, you have to do your skincare routine of the cleanser. Then right after, you can apply the mask. You can apply it with the spatula, you can apply it with your fingers if you want. You leave it there for 20 minutes. Right after that, you're just gonna rinse it with nice ice cold water, and the face will be ready for New Year's Eve. Your makeup is gonna be nice and beautiful and flawless. And by the way, Happy New Year's. If you have any questions, please go to the comment section. You can find the link to my social media in the description. Also, click on the notification bell. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching my video, and I will see you all on the next one.